Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Listen and Speak Better channel, where learning English is simple and enjoyable. I'm Emily.
Hi, Emily. Hello, everyone. I'm Paul.
How are you today, Paul?
I'm doing great, thank you. I feel really happy today.
Oh, really? Why are you so happy?
Because the weather is beautiful, the sun is out, and I love sunny days. What about you, Emily?
I'm doing very well too, thanks. I'm also excited today.
Excited? Why?
Because today's topic is very important.
A very important topic. Tell me more.
Today, we're going to talk about how to train your brain to speak English naturally.
Wow, that sounds interesting. Training my brain?
Exactly. Just like exercising your body, you can exercise your brain too.
Is it difficult?
Not at all. It's simple and fun.
Simple and fun? Great! I'm ready.
Wonderful. But before we begin,
Yes, before we start, everyone, we have a quick favor to ask.
if you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button.
Yes, hit the little thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe to the Listen and Speak Better channel.
Subscribing really helps us create more episodes for you.
And please share this episode with your friends and family.
Exactly. Share it with everyone you know.
All right, Emily, let's begin. How do I train my brain?
First, Paul, tell me something. When you speak English, what happens in your mind?
Usually, I think in my native language first.
Yes, many learners do that.
It dessert. Then I translate the sentence into English in my head before I speak.
Exactly. And that process is very slow.
Yes, my brain works too hard.
Our goal is to think directly in English without translating. What?
Think in English. That sounds fast.
It is fast, and it feels natural too.
Okay, I want to learn this. How do we start?
We start with very small steps.
Small steps?
Yes, very small ones.
Like learning one word?
One word is okay, but small sentences are even better.
Sentences? That sounds harder.
No, not at all. For example, I have a pen in my hand.
Yes, I can see the pen.
Instead of thinking only pen, I think, this is my pen.
Ah, I understand. Or maybe, my pen is blue.
Exactly. Great job, Paul.
Thank you. So I should think in small English sentences all day long?
Yes, exactly. For example, in the morning when you wake up.
I wake up and stretch.
And what do you think?
Maybe I am awake.
Perfect. Or, I am hungry.
I want coffee.
I go to the kitchen.
I open the door.
Excellent. That is how you train your brain.
Really? It seems so simple.
It is simple. You are teaching your brain to think in English naturally.
So, while I'm on the bus, I can think, I see a red car.
Exactly. Or, a man is walking.
It is a beautiful day.
Very good, Paul. You're already practicing.
Wow, this feels different but good.
Because now you connect English directly to your life instead of translating.
Ah, yes. English first, translation later, or no translation at all.
Exactly. That's the secret.
All right, what's the second tip?
Tip number 2 is input.
Input? What does that mean?
It means putting English into your brain through listening and watching.
So, listening with my ears and watching with my eyes?
Yes, exactly.
Like listening to this podcast?
Yes, this podcast is great practice.
We are excellent teachers then.
Of course we are. When you listen to easy English, your brain learns sentence patterns and pronunciation naturally.
Like hearing I am, you are, and he has again and again?
Yes, exactly. You learn the rhythm and melody of English.
Ah, like the music of the language.
Perfect description, Paul.
So listening helps my brain think in English?
Absolutely. It gives your brain the English it needs.
What should I listen to?
Simple podcasts, easy songs, and videos you enjoy.
I love music.
Great! Simple English songs are excellent practice because they repeat many words.
Repetition helps memory.
Exactly. And you can also watch videos about topics you enjoy.
I like cooking videos and football videos.
Perfect. When you enjoy the topic, learning becomes easier and more interesting.
So my brain stays happy while learning.
Yes, and a happy brain learns faster.
I like this method already.
Wonderful. Now, let's talk about tip number 3. Output?
Output means speaking, right?
Exactly. English coming out of your mouth.
But Emily, what if I'm alone?
Then talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? People will think I'm crazy.
Not if you do it at home.
Maybe in my room or in the shower?
Exactly. It's a fantastic exercise.
But what do I say?
Look around your room and describe everything you see.
Okay, this is my room. I see a bed.
Great! Keep going.
The bed is big. I have a desk. The desk is brown.
Excellent.
I see a lamp. The lamp is on.
Wow, Paul, that's amazing practice.
It feels strange, but also exciting.
Because your brain is learning to connect objects directly to English words.
Yes, I see the object and say the English word immediately.
Exactly. That's how fluency grows.
So I can practice speaking even without a partner.
Yes, a partner is wonderful, but you can begin alone anytime.
I like that.
And at night, you can talk about your day.
Today I ate pasta for lunch.
I talked with Emily.
Emily is very smart.
Oh, thank you, Paul.
You're welcome.
See? You are already speaking English naturally.
This is actually fun.
Exactly. Learning should always be enjoyable.
Okay, let's review the 3 tips.
Great idea. Tip number 1. Think in small English sentences every day.
I am walking. I am reading.
Perfect. Tip number 2. Listen and watch simple English content you enjoy.
Podcasts, music, cooking videos, sports videos.
Exactly. And tip number 3. Speak out loud and describe your world.
Speak to myself and practice every day.
Yes, even 10 or 15 minutes daily can make a big difference.
So I don't need to study for 2 hours every day?
No, small daily practice is more important than long study sessions once a week.
Small steps every day. I like that.
And remember, mistakes are normal.
What if I say something wrong?
Then you learn from it and try again. Mistakes help you improve.
So I should not be afraid?
Never. Be brave and keep practicing.
And have fun too.
Exactly. Fun is very important.
Emily, I feel like my English brain is growing already.
That's wonderful, Paul. Your English is improving step by step.
This was a fantastic episode.
Thank you, Paul. Your examples were excellent.
I hope this episode helps everyone listening today.
Me too. And before we finish, we have one last request.
Please subscribe to the Listen and Speak Better channel for more fun English lessons.
And share this episode with friends who are learning English.
Yes, spread the fun everywhere.
And now we have a question for all our listeners.
What do you do to train your brain in English?
Do you listen to music? Watch videos? Speak to yourself?
Tell us in the comments below. We would love to read your ideas.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone.
We had a great time with you today.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.